Okay, welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. It's Malama here, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to make money with Clickfunnels and exactly what is Clickfunnels. So basically, Clickfunnels is a funnel building software that helps you build custom funnels for your online business, opt-in pages, membership sites, as well as uh, adding cards to your funnels, to your websites, and all that good stuff. It also teaches you a lot about traffic, so it's a whole lot in one piece. But basically, it's a funnel building software for marketing services. So, how can you actually make money with ClickFunnels? As you can see, they've got a number of products that they offer. They've got Funnel Builder Secrets, Affiliate Bootcamp. They've got the One Funnel Away Challenge that you can do. In fact, they're also hosting a Funnel Hacking 2020 live where you can go and be part of more or less like a conference to do with internet marketing and funnels. So how can you make money with ClickFunnels? Well, since ClickFunnels is a funnel building software, the number one way that you can use it to make money is actually by building funnels. So you can learn how to build funnels by, if you don't know and you're completely new, you can basically go through a funnel builder secrets that you can purchase, which is almost like 3,000 US dollars, and you get in there free 6 months free ClickFunnels software. Instead of paying $97 for every month, you save a lot of money by getting it for free, and you get a training on exactly how to build this funnel. So you can go ahead and purchase funnel builder secrets, or if you're on a budget but you still want to start doing this, you can go ahead and sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. As you can see, this is a training on how you can launch a successful funnel in 30 days. So as you can see, the next one will be happening in the next 5 days. So this usually goes on only every 10 days. There's a new challenge going on. There's a new team of people coming in to go through the One Funnel Away Challenge. So as you can see, this one will be starting on the 12th of this January 2020, and you guys can go ahead and jump on this challenge and do it. It's not limited on time. Anytime that you're watching this video, even if it's after the 12th, all you have to do is click the link that is in the description of this video. It's gonna bring you to this page, and you can go ahead and purchase the One Funnel Away challenge, which talks, as you can see, squeeze pages, sales pages, order pages, one-time offers, your non-connect, your traffic, paid ads. So it teaches you about a whole lot of things. And how much can you actually make? Well, if we go to the marketplace, you've got funnels that are going as far as $297, $7 for one funnel, $147, and you can resell these funnel templates over and over again once you've made only one. And all you have to do is just spend $100 to learn how to make a profitable funnel. You can even do it for a business and charge them a certain fee, maybe $1,000, building their businesses and just creating a successful funnel for their business. As you can see, there's a marketplace. That is where you can come and sell funnels. Also, another place is if you're a freelancer, this will be good for you. If you really learn how to do marketing funnels, it will be really profitable for you, because there are a lot of people posting jobs every day. As you can see, they need a ClickFunnels expert to make funnels for their automations, their email automations, connect ClickFunnels to email marketing software for automation, create rules. So as you can see, all these are jobs that you can come here and apply for, and you get paid a commission, a big amount for this. So as you can see, this is another job, FP Pixels Pro for ClickFunnels and WordPress. So ClickFunnels, as you can see, all these jobs are about ClickFunnels and creating funnels. So all you have to do is just master how to build funnels, and the tools that can help you that are One Funnel Away Challenge. Then you've also got the funnel builder secrets. So you've got the funnel builder secrets. If you take a look at, there's a page for funnel builder secrets, which you can go ahead and just learn, because they teach you a lot about building funnels. This is a light version, but there's a pro version where you get a whole bunch of stuff. So you can go ahead and do that, and that is how you can make money with ClickFunnels. Now, the last part on how you can make money with ClickFunnels is by affiliate marketing and promoting the very products, like the ClickFunnels software 14-day trial, where you can win a dream car if you sign up 100 active ClickFunnels members under you. Also, the Funnel Builder Secrets, promote Funnel Builder Secrets. That's in-depth training on funnels and everything. And you can get in between $800 and $1,200. You can promote the One Funnel Away Challenge for $100 commission. You can promote books, but these are not highly profitable unless you sell a bunch. Or you can promote funnel scripts, where you get $797 for every sale that you bring in. So as I promised, it's my mission this month, this year, going till the end, to make at least one YouTube video a day. So this is basically why I keep publishing content until I'm at a point where I'm really good on camera. I can be able to articulate the message out, properly teach a topic in a well streamlined way. So this is all my practice, and just thought to you guys, as I learn new things on a daily basis, it's always important to share with you guys. So if you enjoyed this video and watched it till the end, please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. It's Malama here. Thanks very much for watching and coming over to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you guys have a successful 2020.